Hello guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you companies that pay you to do homeworks. But before I dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Time is money and I don't want to waste yours, so let's get started. Number 1, 24hourandswers.com. This company focuses on providing help to students in more than 380 languages. The subject list is really long, making it easier for people because we are all good in different subjects. The company is based in New York and they hire internationally. On this platform, students can either select their tutors or let the system connect them with potential tutors based on their orders. If you're a tutor and you're assigned to a student, you have a right to take or decline the offer. First, check the questions, see if you can solve them, and then you can decide whether you're taking the offer or not. Students are entitled to real-time homework assistance and they have access to a library of answers to commonly asked questions. They don't require you to be a certified tutor or a professor, but they do prefer master's student. However, they did mention that if you are a bachelor student with good grades, you can still apply. They process payments at the beginning of every month via PayPal, bank transfer, and Pioneer. The work schedule is very flexible. If you're going to be away for some time, you are allowed to do that, but you have to tell your students and also check if you have any follow-up questions on your recently answered assignments. When applying, it is advised that you use an easy to pronounce username. You don't have to use your own name. Once you've submitted your transcript, the next stage is interview stage if you are shortlisted. You get paid $14, $45 per hour, but you can also make some extra money if you answer commonly asked questions. And for this, they pay $10 per question. Number 2, studygate.com. On this site, your portfolio plays a huge role. It's a deciding factor. Some of the reasons people get rejected include applicants writing to Studygate on their bio instead of students, because remember, the intended audience is students. So on your bio, whatever you write should be directed to your students. Your bio is not your resume. You are trying to win students, not Studygate. Other reasons may include lack of professionalism, for example, writing everything in caps, plagiarism, highlighting exams taken instead of skills, too much focus on hobbies, and copying and pasting everything from LinkedIn to your bio. The application takes about 20 minutes and you should upload your ID photo, transcript, a short video, or a short PDF explaining the services you're offering or subject. Should you get stuck during the application, there is an email you can write to. I would make sure to leave it down below. If you're from South Africa, they require you to have studied or studying at UCT, VET, UJ, UKZN, Stellenbosch, UP, and Northwest. Basically, your university should be in the top 1,000 in the world. So if you're not from South Africa, just check if your university is in the top 1,000. If your university is not on the list, you should at least have a tutoring experience from other sites. And for everyone, your GPA should be above 3.0 out of 4. In South Africa, we don't use GPA, but we use percentage. So just take your average, divide by 100, times 4, that's your GPA out of 4. Both graduates and undergraduates can apply. If they accept your application, you may receive a video call request where they'll be asking you a few questions about the subject that you chose. They want to see if you really know the subject and if you can help the students. On average, you get paid $50 to $200 per task. It's crazy, I know, but the reason why it's possible to make that much is because on this site, they focus on subjects such as economics, statistics, programming, mathematics, chemistry, etc. If you're currently a student or a graduate, chances are you'll make plus or minus $1,000 per month. Number 3, allhomework.net. This company is looking for two types of candidates: those who are excellent with essay writing and programming experts who can help first year and second year students with their homeworks or assignments. If you hold a degree or studying towards computer science, you may want to apply, or if you know that you are really good with writing essays. This company also hires internationally and you must have a PayPal account. Number 4, iWriteEssays.com. As the name suggests, this website is all about writing, essay writing, report writing, letter writing, etc. In order to be able to write for this company, you must have a master's degree. They pay via PayPal, but you must first reach a threshold of $100 before they pay you. Number 5, geekyhub.com. As a tutor on Geeky Hub, you will be providing answers to posted questions. After some time, based on your answers, the algorithm will determine or will suggest questions that are suitable for you. The average pay on this website is $20 per hour. Be careful with application. When I applied, I landed on a page with 3 questions: your email, expertise, and tell us about yourself. I wrote about 2 lines because I thought it was going to take me to the next stage or the next page. Little did I know that was the end of the application, so I had to apply with another email and write more under tell us about yourself. Number 6, symposium.com. This is a platform where you can give lectures, like video lectures on a certain topic or certain subject, and people or students can pay you for your lesson. You don't need any degree or certificate. You do this at your own time, and it doesn't matter where you come from. So you can teach people all over the world and you get paid $100 per hour. And that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions regarding these companies, please comment down below. I'm gonna try to reply as soon as I can.